Hello students. Today we will discuss about the current electricity. So before the discussion you have to know the concept of charge, current and the potential. The concept of charge was first given by the scientist Coulomb. So after his name, the unit SI unit of the charge has been named, that is Coulomb, and denoted as C. Now the concept of current was given by scientist Andre Ampere. So after his name, the SI unit is given ampere, and the concept of the potential was given by the scientist Volta. So the unit of the potential is volt. So first I will discuss how the charges are produced. Suppose this is an atom of material A. This is the nucleus and this is the valence electron, and this is another material B. This is the nucleus and this is the valence electron. You all know that there is an electrostatic force acts between the nucleus and the electron. So as they are different materials, the electrostatic force, the amount of electrostatic force will be also different. So suppose the electrostatic force on this electron is less than this electron. That means it is loosely bound. This electron is loosely bound in this material than this. So now if you rub these two, what will happen? The loosely bound electron will go from this shell to this shell. So see, due to this exchange, this atom becomes having the charge plus E, because one proton is excess over there and there is no other electron to neutralize it. Over here also one electron is excess and there is no proton to neutralize the charge of that electron. So the charge of this will be plus E and for this will be minus E. Now the charge of electron is generally E is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. So if 2 electron goes, the charge will be plus 2e, of this minus 2e. If 3 electrons, plus 3e minus 3, so it will go on. So we can see that charges always appear in the multiple of the charge of the electron. This is known as the charge quantization, and mathematically it is denoted as Q equals to plus minus n into E. N is the number of electron. It is not possible to have a charge like half E. It is either 1e or 2e or something, a whole number, because you can see due to the exchange of the electron the charges are getting produced. So it is not possible to get the charge like this half e or 3 by 2e or 4 by 5e like this. So I have selected a problem. Find the number of electrons in 1 microcoulomb charge. So you can easily find out the number of electrons in a particular given charge by the formula of the charge quantization. So Q is equals to n into E. We are not taking the sign plus or minus, we are only concentrating on the value. So I haven't take plus or minus over here. So microcoulomb means 10 to the power minus 6. Every micrometer, microsecond, every micro means 10 to the power minus 6. So microcoulomb charge means 10 to the power minus 6 equals to n into E. Now you can from here easily calculate the value of n in this calculation. So that's how you can easily find out the number of electrons in a particular amount of charge. So this is the concept of charge. I think students, it will help you in your studies. Thank you.